One thing that brings me so much joy is a beautiful fridge. I know it sounds silly, but trust me, it changes everything. It changes the whole dynamic in your kitchen. I've been doing this for years, and I thought with the new year, it's January, everyone's creating new goals and new healthy lifestyle habits. So I thought this would be the perfect time to share with you how I beautify my fridge. So here is the first step. I already emptied out everything, so it's nice and clean. And the next step, I will take some rubbing alcohol. I like to use 70%, and I wipe down every surface. Just take a paper towel and gently go over everything so that it's nice, sanitized, and clean. Next, I'm going to add some fresh greens and beauties from the garden. I like to decorate my cakes with garden roses, and keeping them in the fridge helps them to last longer. I've got all different sizes of containers. And what I'll do is I will start with just placing these throughout the refrigerator. It adds color and beauty. Next, I'm going to add all of my vegetables. I go through them pretty quickly, so I'm going to just put them on top of each other in each drawer. I like to stick with colors together, so I'll keep the greens together, yellows together, etc. Got some fresh bell peppers, some lemons, and I'm turning the tags. Sometimes I pull them off, but if I don't feel like it, I just kind of turn them over so you don't see that. And with the limes, instead of putting them in the drawer, I like to kind of make it look a little more organic by scattering them throughout the fridge. I've got a bowl of some fresh apples. I'll put that over here, and I'm going to add some grapefruit with that. Okay, so here are the beautiful grapefruit. And then I'm going to add my jams. I like these. They've got pretty gold lids. I'm going to put these up here. I don't usually use these too often. They look nice, and I like to keep these kind of towards the front. I put a container of eggs. I put my eggs in a bowl. I only have 4. I need to go to the store and get some more. And then slowly I'm going to put little containers of just different things, whether that's fruits or vegetables. So instead of having this bag of carrots, I use these all the time because I'm feeding Olive, the pet pig, and it's easy for me to grab these and give these to her. Next, I'm going to line this shelf with some paper towels, and then I will take my greens, and just as you'd see in the store, I'm going to delicately place them facing front. It adds so much life and vibrance to the fridge. Oops. I love seeing variety, so I have some tomatoes in this beautiful wooden container and some blackberries. And I'll just place these in different levels of the fridge, different areas, so they look nice. And I have some leftover greens from Christmas. These last forever, and they still smell amazing. So I'm going to just put that there. It adds a little more green, and it's just beautiful. The last thing I'll do is take these candle holders. I put some fresh rosemary and some thyme. You can just scatter these throughout. It just adds a little more dimension and character. And so that's it. Now, every time I open my fridge, it's just filled with beauty. And I do a different theme for every month, every holiday. It's festive, it's fun, and it just gives you that good feeling of joy. Simple pleasures, simple gratitude. And it smells fresh.